Okay students, this is your case study problem for 15 marks. Now in this problem they have asked us two questions with respect to covered under the payment and not covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act. We'll just have an analysis of this problem so that we can solve both the questions. Mr. Yogesh received 14 lakhs as gratuity on his retirement on 31st December so and so forth, that is 2019. Okay, he was working in a Tagore Limited. Okay, this is a company name. At the time of retirement, he was getting 10,000 per month as basic and 5,000 per month as a dearness allowance (DA), which is 75% forms part of salary, which is nothing but your retirement benefit. He has served 25 years and 7 months. Calculate exempted gratuity if he is. First question is covered by Payment of Gratuity Act and not covered by Payment of Gratuity Act. Now I will just check with the solution, okay, how we have to solve with it. Okay, now the first one is covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act. Now how we have to solve? For the first one we have to solve salary, which will cover what? Basic salary plus only DA, the full DA. We will not consider over here retirement benefit and all. Clear? So 10,000 and 5,000 per month. So totally 15,000 per month will be calculated. And then we have to calculate 15 days salary. So that will be what? Salary for a month, 15 days divided by 26 days. So 15 days into 15 by 26 will fetch me 8,653.84. Okay. Now then we have to go with the calculation of completed years of service. 25 years and 7 months. So we have to take a next figure for it, that is 26 years. But when we come down to not covered, we have to just consider only this. We'll check it when we are calculating that. Okay, so maximum limit is 20 lakhs for covered. Actual gratuity, what we have seen, that is what? Okay, 14 lakhs, which is given in the question. Okay, we have calculated this into 26 days. Okay, so that will come down to how much? 26 years. Sorry, this one it is. Okay, so it will be 2,25,000. The least is exempted, that is what? 2,25,000 is exempted. Among this least, from what we have to minus it? Actual gratuity received. So taxable gratuity is how much? 11,75,000. Means what? He has to pay tax on this amount. Clear? The next question was not covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act, which will be what? Basic salary plus DA plus commission fixed if it is given in the question, otherwise do not take it. So 10,000 per month basic salary, so we have to take. Okay, and then we have to take 3750. How did it come to 3750? That is 5,000 into 75% is retiring. It is going into the benefit. So we have to, in this we have to consider this. Okay, but in covered we need not consider it. So it will come down to 3750. So 13,750. So average salary we have to calculate. How to calculate average salary for this one? Okay, 3750 into 10 divided by 10. It will go off. That is what? Okay, 10 months we have to consider. Okay, so 13,750. So completed years will be what? 25,700. But we need not consider this. Okay, fraction. We have to consider a whole. That is what? 25 years. So 10 lakhs will be the maximum limit. 14 lakhs will be the actual gratuity received, and 1,71,000 will be the minimum. So minimum we have to take. Okay, that is what? Least one. So we have to consider this. How did I calculate this one? That is actual minus what now? This one we will get. Okay, so 12,28,2. Okay, that is what? How did I calculate this? That is 14 lakhs minus 171,875. We will get what? 12,28,125. Clear with this? This is your case study problem. Students, I want you to go through this thoroughly so that we will go for the next concept called as commutation of pension. Okay, I'll be sending you the theory of it to be written down. Okay, and then we will start solving the problems on it. Thank you, students.